Google has recently unveiled Genie, an innovative AI designed to transform any picture or drawing into a fully immersive video game world. With Genie, users can draw or capture a photo and then engage in gameplay within that visual creation, essentially crafting personalized video game levels from their own images. Welcome back to AI Genie channel. Today, before diving to our topic, please subscribe and stay in the loop with our latest updates and never miss a moment. Hit the notification bell now to be the first to know about exciting topic like this. This revolutionary AI goes beyond mere advancements. It redefines the entire gaming experience, offering a glimpse into a future where effortlessly generating interactive virtual worlds becomes as simple as conceiving them. Genie's remarkable capability lies in its foundational world model. This sophisticated AI has undergone extensive training on a diverse dataset, incorporating video footage from various sources, including 2D platformer games and robotics. This comprehensive training equips Genie with the understanding and ability to replicate the dynamics of interactive environments. Notably, Genie achieves this without the need for explicit action labels or detailed instructions. The magic of Genie becomes evident as it breathes life into static images, sketches, and photographs, rendering them playable in ways previously unimaginable. This breakthrough opens up a realm of possibilities for creators, gamers, and educators alike. Genie's observational and learning abilities, derived from analyzing actions depicted in videos, enable it to identify controllable elements within an image. Subsequently, Genie generates a set of latent actions that remain consistent across the dynamically generated environments. In essence, Google's Genie represents a significant leap forward in AI technology, paving the way for a future where the boundary between imagination and interactive virtual reality is blurred, and users can seamlessly bring their creative visions to life in the form of playable video game worlds. Genie's remarkable capacity to deduce and apply a consistent set of actions across various scenarios showcases the AI's profound comprehension of interaction dynamics. The potential applications of Genie are both diverse and impactful. For game developers, it serves as a valuable tool for swiftly prototyping and exploring novel game concepts. Artists and creators can witness their visions materialize in interactive forms, transcending traditional mediums and providing innovative ways to engage with their audience. In the realm of education, Genie has the potential to revolutionize learning by making historical events, scientific concepts, and artistic movements accessible through immersive experiences. The implications for storytelling are equally profound. Genie could facilitate the creation of interactive narratives that adapt and evolve based on the user's decisions and actions, offering a dynamic and personalized storytelling experience. Genie's role as a training ground for generalist AI agents is paving the way for groundbreaking advancements in AI research. This is achieved by its ability to generate an endless variety of environments, presenting a platform for developing AI systems capable of adaptation and performance across a diverse spectrum of scenarios. This capability is pivotal for propelling AI forward into a realm where systems can comprehend and interact with the world in ways that emulate human-like nuances. The significance of Genie's contribution extends beyond its current state, marking the inception of a transformative journey. Positioned as a research project, Genie epitomizes the cutting edge of what is achievable, blending the realms of generative AI with interactive gaming and simulation. However, it is crucial to acknowledge that Genie is still in its nascent stages, and its current limitations, such as the generation of games at a relatively low frame rate, underscore the challenges that lie ahead. The impact of Genie on AI research is profound, offering a dynamic framework for exploring the intersection of generative AI and interactive simulations. As AI systems become increasingly specialized, the ability to cultivate generalist agents capable of adapting to diverse scenarios becomes paramount. Genie's contribution lies in its role as an environment generator, providing a diverse playground for AI systems to learn, adapt, and perform across a wide range of contexts. Looking forward, the trajectory of AI research is marked by a shift towards systems that exhibit a more nuanced and human-like understanding of the world. Genie's unique approach aligns with this trajectory, acting as a catalyst for the development of AI systems that can navigate complexity and uncertainty, much like humans do. The challenges posed by Genie's current limitations, such as the frame rate issues, serve as valuable insights into the technical hurdles that researchers need to overcome. In essence, Genie stands at the forefront of AI research, symbolizing the convergence of generative AI and interactive gaming. Its potential to reshape the landscape of AI, fostering adaptability and broad functionality, is both exciting and challenging. As Genie continues its journey, researchers and developers are poised to unravel new possibilities and address the technical intricacies, propelling the field towards a future where AI seamlessly integrates with and comprehends the complexities of our ever-evolving world. Nevertheless, the awe-inspiring capabilities of Genie come hand in hand with profound ethical considerations for such powerful technology. The potential for misuse, privacy concerns, and the far-reaching impact on the gaming and content creation industries present challenges that demand careful navigation. While the excitement surrounding Genie is palpable and justified, it underscores the necessity for a thoughtful and responsible approach. The democratization of digital content creation facilitated by Genie is undeniably groundbreaking. It signifies a leap into a future where the barriers to creating and experiencing digital content are significantly lowered. No longer limited to individuals with technical expertise or substantial resources, Genie empowers a broader demographic to engage in the creation of immersive and interactive experiences. However, this newfound accessibility raises ethical questions. The potential for misuse of Genie's capabilities, such as creating misleading or harmful content, underscores the need for robust safeguards and regulations. Privacy concerns emerge as Genie processes personal images and transforms them into interactive environments, necessitating stringent measures to protect individuals' data and consent. Moreover, the impact on established industries, particularly gaming and content creation, requires careful consideration. The rapid evolution of technology often disrupts existing norms, posing challenges to traditional business models and copyright frameworks. Balancing innovation with ethical responsibility becomes imperative to ensure that the transformative power of Genie is harnessed for positive and inclusive outcomes. In essence, while Genie heralds an era of unprecedented creative potential, its journey into mainstream usage must be guided by a vigilant awareness of ethical implications. Responsible development, robust regulations, and a collaborative effort between technology creators, policymakers, and society at large are essential to fully realize the benefits of Genie while mitigating potential risks. The transformative power of Genie lies in the democratization of content creation, placing the ability to craft immersive virtual worlds into the hands of anyone with an idea and a vision. This shift marks Genie's most formative aspect, promising to ignite waves of innovation and creativity across diverse domains. The potential presented by Genie is vast and far-reaching, extending from revolutionizing game design and interactive storytelling to transforming educational content and beyond. Genie stands as a testament to the synergistic force of imagination and advanced AI technologies. Looking to the future, Genie's possibilities are as expansive as the virtual worlds it pledges to create. It serves as a catalyst for redefining how we engage with technology, showcasing a glimpse of what's achievable through the fusion of human creativity and artificial intelligence. As Genie progresses towards public release, its development will be keenly observed, representing the next chapter in this captivating journey of discovery and innovation. Genie is more than a technological marvel. It exemplifies the potential of future possibilities. By allowing users to imagine and play in their own video game worlds, Genie heralds a paradigm shift in how we use computers and experience games. Its autonomous learning from a vast array of online videos sets a new precedent for AI, paving the way for innovative tools and games that configure themselves. The evolving landscape of generative AI, epitomized by Genie, holds the promise of increasingly sophisticated and immersive virtual environments. This ongoing evolution not only enhances our play, learning, and creative experiences, but also reshapes our relationship with technology, integrating the digital world more seamlessly into our daily lives. As the era of Genie unfolds, the journey ahead promises to be as enchanting as the awe-inspiring worlds it will create. Alright, that wraps up our video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.